Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my channel and today we are going to have a conversation with our new guest. First of all, you're most welcome to my channel. And first of all, I want to know about yourself. Please tell me something about yourself in brief.
Yeah, of course. So my name is Samir, and I'm speaking from Mumbai. And nowadays I'm trying to interact with a stranger like a stranger, and I can say I do business. So this is all about me, man. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Okay, one question. Now you are a student or you are working person? So
No, I'm doing business.
you are doing business. Great man, great. Okay. And how long have you been speaking English? And why do you want to improve your communication skill?
Yeah, actually, it has been years. Okay, maybe 2 and 3 years has gone,
Hmm.
and three years ago I started my English journey. Then I can say still I'm practicing, still I'm interacting with a stranger. I
Hmm.
can, I grab this language and I'm feeling okay. I'm speaking not good, but I can say I'm trying. And if I talk about why I'm learning language, so this is just language, but if you go outside, if you attend any seminar, webinar, so over there little bit need, little bit requirement for English language. So that's why I'm trying to polish myself, trying to improve my communication skills. Yeah. So this is the
That's
reason.
okay. And do you have any question for me? And any question is going on your mind without any fearless, you can ask me.
Okay, I have a million of questions. So first thing, brother, could you tell me about yourself because I don't know who you are. So suddenly,
Yes.
yeah, please tell me.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And I also want to introduce myself because I am first time I am meeting to you. Okay, as you know that this is Tipu Thakur. I am from Jharkhand, which falls in Godda district. Okay, in present time, I am living at my Godda. It is a district of the Jharkhand. And if I talk about my occupation, I am a student. I am pursuing graduation with English honors, as well as I am a running YouTube channel. Yes, it's all about myself.
Okay, so you're running a YouTube channel.
Yes, I am running a YouTube channel. And related to
Like,
content, I I am used to uploading English related videos.
okay,
Hmm.
that is interesting. So could you tell me how many videos you uploaded on your YouTube and about what kind of videos? Means English video, I can say like lots of like you're making blogging, any content, and any like a podcast. I mean, what's your topic? If I talk
Yes,
about
what
for
topic? Okay, what topic I upload on my channel? Okay, first of all, I have in present time I have five 523 subscribers, and I have uploaded 170 videos. But totally each totally video is it is not only on English videos. Before a few months I used to upload some English spoken English structure, advanced English structure. But but I have been uploading for 3 months only on conversation videos. Okay, and how to speak English alone, how to practice alone without finding any partner. Okay, actually everybody has one problem, how to find problem. Yes, and without finding, how can I improve ourselves? Yes, everybody does not belong to the good family condition. Yes, some people belong to their family financial condition is bad. Okay, then in that condition, how to improve our conversation, how to improve our English? Yeah, that kind of video I make, and after making I upload on my channel. And how to tell a story, how to how to speak English with the help of storytelling, sometimes chain speaking practice. Yes, and most of time I upload only conversation English, one to one English conversation videos. Yes, it's all about my channel.
Well, that's great, man. That's good. I can say just keep going, keep working, and I hope so you will get a more audience on your YouTube and about with a stranger also. So just always try to do practice a regular basis. Just make video and interact with the stranger. Definitely, it's going to help you. So, brother, I can say one thing. You have a nice pitch. You have a nice room. So, is this your personal room and you made as a cabin? What is that? What's your behind?
What? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yeah, I'm trying to say that this is your personal room and you just made it. Is this your room? Like, what is that? What's your behind?
Oh,
The behind.
yeah, it is actually, as you, sorry, I have already mentioned you, it is a hostel, okay? And I am living at my hostel. That's why it is room. It is room. And here there are 4 person are living.
Okay, that's good. That's good, man. This is nice. It's look like nice.
Yes,
Okay, so I'm so happy like you are running a YouTube channel and you are trying to make video with a stranger on regular basis, like related to English language. So you are helping. That's great. Just keep going, keep working, and I can say try to do something. Means try to talk more, try to discuss an interesting topic, and I can say always just feel good. Always just try to talk interesting means with comfortable you know if you
yes,
try to
and
talk comfortable, definitely yourself your video will be going good, and I can say you feel good also. Okay, so now that I'm going to tell you one thing.
yes,
Lots of people are trying to make video with a stranger and they upload on YouTube channel. Even I was also trying to talk with a stranger, and I did too many things about my learning about my language. Okay, so I can say this is a good platform to learning English language when you talk, when you speak with video calls. So I can say you will learn more because video calling means what, this is a good environment we can interact with, we can look our expression, body contact, body language, eye contact, too many things. So I can say video calling is good for us, good for stranger who are learning English language. And if I talk about Skype video calling, oh my god, this is a fabulous, because without any without single rupees, okay, without any investment, we are trying to grab, we are trying to learn English language, we are trying to polish ourselves, like how we speak, how we talk. So this is a good environment, good environment, I can say. So always I try to
yes,
support whoever stranger, whoever beginner, okay, those people always do hard, because if I talk about hard work is the key to success. No pain, no
yes,
gain. If you do hard work, definitely you will get positive result. Yeah.
yes.
So
Great man,
life
great.
is
You
not.
have already mentioned already. It is a very absolutely good thing. Then, how long have you been using this application?
Yeah, actually, it has been years. Okay, or two. I think 1.5 year has gone. Maybe 2 years. Okay, but I'm not active here. I'm not active here nowadays. And before I told you, I do business. Okay, I'm doing a business. So nowadays, I'm busy with my stuff, and I do not give a more time to practice with stranger, practice with a beginner, and practice with like English language. So I can say
Yes,
when I free time, always I jump, always I try to talk with the stranger, and I feel good because when I talk, so I realize like my level, where is my level, what's my level, like lower, upper, and like down. I can rectify my errors. So nowadays I'm not concentrating, but I can say when I get chance, I try to give a proper time, and I try to debate little bit chit chat. So this is my way, this is way to I'm polishing myself. Yeah.
that's
Not,
great. And
yeah.
do you have any another question?
Okay, yes, I have a question. Okay, so by the way, what do you do right now? You're a student. You mentioned that. Am I right?
Hmm.
So, like, what kind of a study you're doing
Yes, I have already mentioned you. I am pursuing graduation with English honors.
with English honors? Okay, English honors. So, what's your future plan? I mean, after degree, will
Hmm.
you become will you become like as a professor, an English teacher professor, and will you try to pursue any competitive exam in any government sector? What's your future plan?
Future plan. Actually, I have not only on one goal. I have two goals: short term goals and second my long term goal. And if I talk about my short term goal, in my short term goal, I want to achieve a good job. Yes, and long term goal is that I want to be a good English trainer.
Good
Yes,
English. So,
yeah,
do you
it's
know become a good English trainer? What's requirement? What is the struggle? What is the like need any how to I say any degrees and something. So, do you know that kind of things?
yeah. Actually, my academic education is going on. Yes, after pursuing my BA, I will do my B.Ed. Okay, after completing my BA, I can be a English teacher. Okay, in this way you can be a teacher, English trainer, whatever you want to say. And my as I am running a YouTube channel. Actually, it is my private. I sorry, it is my private channel where how whenever I want to say something, whenever I get new content, just I always try to best to my viewer, to my subscribers.
Okay. So after conversation, please share with me your links. Okay. So I'll definitely reach out your YouTube and I'll try to support you because I respect. You know, I try to say always just keep going, keep working because practice make a more progress, man. Practice make a more improvement and more progress. See, if you talk about English language, okay, this is beautiful language. We have to talk regular basis. We have to do consistency. Then after that, you will get result. We are not sure about how long it will take. Maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. But depend on you, depend on us how we are struggling. If we if we do honestly, if we try to practice more and more regular basis, definitely within a short period you will understand what's your level. And I can say English is very important in our life. Why? Because look at outside what's going on everywhere is people are trying to pursuing a job, and when you attend any interview, when you attend any seminar, webinar, everywhere there is little bit English language. So we have to grab it. We do not try to avoid, we do not escape with English. We have to understand, we have to go with English language, we have to talk on regular basis because English show you images in front of society. Suppose if I tell you you are speaking well, if you have a good command on English language,
Okay.
definitely be chance to get job. Would be you can make a your career in other sector like about as a professional, as a professor, English teacher, as a like motivational speaker. Maybe you are hearing about from you are watching a video from YouTube through something like that. So there are lots of things available. You can do yourself. You can make your career because of English. I know that this is just language, but if you speak well, definitely you will get a good opportunity. Door will open in your life, like which way you want to go. So I can say just practice, practice, practice.
Yes, it is
This is a
totally depend on the practice, how much effort you are going to put on yourself. Okay.